I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. Also welcome back to another challenge video. See, if this challenge actually goes well, this could also be called a 2-minute makeup tutorial, but we'll see how that goes. You guys really liked my last challenge video that I did with my brother. It was a brother does my makeup challenge. In case you guys haven't watched it, I'm going to link that below, but the ones who watched it really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge video as well. For this video, I have collaborated with Plum Goodness. If you guys have been following me on social media for a while, you would know that I absolutely love their Illuminance Cleansing Balm. It is actually a part of their Illuminance range, which I will be telling you guys about. I'll also show my makeup removal routine because if the challenge doesn't go well, I will really need to remove the makeup ASAP. So I'm going to walk you guys through that. Also super important, I'm also going to be sharing some winter skincare tips with you, which you guys must stay tuned for. For now, let's jump right into the challenge. I am very nervous because I have never tried this before, but let's start. I'm just going in with the foundation first. I usually, like, my entire time usually goes in blending the foundation, so I'm just going to quickly see how quickly I can do this. I take at least 15 minutes to do this. Seconds are up. Oh shit. I fucking put foundation on my head. Okay. One to go. I'm just gonna skip the green concealer. It's not going out. Shit, 50 seconds to hold on. I can clearly see my concealer is not getting blended properly. 30 seconds left. Quickly gonna go in with the mascara. Oh shit. In these seconds, I'm gonna put lipstick. Ten seconds. 6 seconds. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this up. 2 seconds and oh shit. Okay. So I think I got the foundation right. The mascara got a little messed up. I got it on my skin, and this one clearly has more mascara than this eye. The concealer is very little. It definitely could have been more. यहाँ पे ठीक से blend भी नहीं हुआ actually. Lipstick is fine. Blush, I put very little, but I think with a little practice, you can definitely do this makeup in 2 minutes. These are literally all the products that I use for my regular makeup. I just take more time to put them properly. Let me know in the comments down below, how do you guys think I did? I would give myself 6 or 10 maybe. You guys comment down below and tell me what you think this makeup look is out of 10. Now moving on to the removal of the makeup, I am currently following the makeup removal routine that I'm going to show you guys. The first thing that I do is, of course, use their Plum Supple Cleansing Balm. This is what I've been using for a while now. I have a brand new product as well with me, but I'm currently using this. I have been using it, so I'm just going to use this too right now. But I'm obviously going to show you guys how the brand new product looks. This is very easy to use. You can either put your fingers directly in the product and take it out, but I like to use their applicator. I take that and put some of the product on the back of my hand, and then I go in and apply it on my face. The best part about this product is that I don't need to waste so many cotton pads that I usually do when I'm using other kind of makeup removers. For this, all you need to do is apply it on a dry face, like apply it directly on the makeup on your face. You can use a little bit of water if you feel like it's getting too dry. You can actually also use this product as a face cleanser. I personally like to use it as a makeup remover, which actually brings me to my first winter skincare tip for you guys, is that in winters, you must try and use milder cleansers like this one, and try and avoid foam based or gel based face washes because they tend to dehydrate your skin and make it feel very stretchy, which is okay during summers, but for winters a mild cleanser is what you should use. I follow this up with a toner. The Plum one is completely alcohol free and perfect for me, which also brings me to the second winter skincare tip, which is that you should avoid using toners with alcohol in them because it tends to dry out your skin and at times can also make it look a little flaky. I've experienced it. In fact, I used to think that toners have to have alcohol in them, but this product changed that for me. This is super nourishing and it's perfect for someone who wants to avoid feeling too dry on their skins during the winter season. And finally, I follow all this up with a moisturizer to seal in all the moisture in my skin. This one is very thick in texture, so it's very moisturizing, and also, like the product name suggests, it's a deep moisturizing cream and it obviously lives up to that name. I don't always use this, especially in summers. In summers, I prefer using a lighter, more gel-based texture for my moisturizers. But for winters, this is great because the texture is heavier, it's thicker, so it's perfect for winters because it does not let your skin get dry at all. Which actually brings me to my third skincare tip, and that is you need to use heavier and thicker moisturizers in winter season. So that was about it for my makeup removal routine. It's a very simple 3-step regime that I follow. But my fourth winter skincare tip is still remaining, and that is that you need to look for products that have very nourishing and moisturizing ingredients, especially for your winter skincare. And these should include things like vitamin E, oils, butters. In fact, this E-Luminance range that I just showed you guys has a lot of these good ingredients. It's got jojoba oil, calendula extract, hazel, kokum butter, and vitamin E, of course. So in case you guys do want to check it out and give it a try, I'm going to mention the links of these products down below. And that brings us to my final winter skincare tip for you guys, and that is stay hydrated, you all. It's very important, especially in winters. In fact, winters or summers, you have to stay hydrated as much as you can for a hydrated and that glowing skin. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the challenge as well as my winter skincare tips for you guys. I have been following these tips for a very long time. I mean, these are my go-to tips, which is why I wanted to share these with you as well. Let me know in the comments down below how you think I did in my challenge. Rate me out of 10 for that makeup look. And that's it for now. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.